Meaning of flyaway.
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 Flyaway. Flyaway can be used as an adjective to describe something that is likely to fly away or be blown away easily. For example, flyaway hair refers to strands of hair that are not easy to control and tend to blow in the wind. It can also be used as a noun to describe a situation where an aircraft or a part of it disappears during flight. This term is commonly used in the aviation industry to refer to an occurrence where an aircraft loses communication with air traffic controllers and cannot be located.